Today we are going to read a pop culture article on a very famous person globally at the moment, and that is not Taylor Swift, but Taylor Swift's cat. So the title of this article is Taylor Swift's cat, Olivia Benson, has an alleged net worth that's out of this world. And this article is from the website 17. And the article was originally published January of 2023. Paragraph 1. There's no denying Taylor Swift's impact on the music industry. She's a record-breaking, chart-topping, Grammy award-winning singer and songwriter. Not to mention, she's a budding actress and director with equally impressive business acumen. It comes as no surprise that she's one of the top earning performers in music. But what is surprising is the net worth of her beloved cat, Olivia Benson. All About Cats dropped a Forbes-style list of the richest pets in the world, and Taylor's Scottish Fold, who is named after an iconic Law and Order character, came in at number 3 with an estimated net worth of $97 million US. Yes, you read that correctly. $97 million US. According to the report, the fierce feline earned her massive fortune by starring in several music videos and big-budget ads with her owner. She's dropped her own merch line and appeared in several music videos and Instagram posts with Taylor, too. Back in 2017, she starred in an adorable promo for Taylor's Reputation album, where the singer lovingly cuddled with her as she asked tons of questions, including, "Do you want to write some songs?" while spending time together in a music studio. Ryan Reynolds even wore a shirt featuring Olivia and Taylor's other cat, Meredith, in the 2018 film Deadpool 2. How iconic. In case you were wondering who beat out Olivia for the top 2 richest pets in the world, premium cat food owner Nala Cat came in at number 2 with a whopping $100 million US net worth. Gunther VI, a German Shepherd, has an estimated net worth is $500 million US. End of article. Well, I know for sure that Taylor's cat is wealthier than me, and I hope she's putting her money to good use. All right, well, that concludes this video. I'll see you next time as we consider another news article.